Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right gear now, locate night vision goggles or a helmet with an NV mount, and examine battery life immediately. Once done, attach batteries or a power pack. This is the difference between functioning NV and useless weight. You should stash batteries in a fast access slot because swapping mid-raid slows you down. Make sure to pick a quiet approach. NV makes you see, but sound still gives you away. Move quickly, keep gear organized, and prepare to activate. You mount the night vision to your helmet or rig and verify the lock with the on-screen or HUD indicator. If it's loose, it will fall off in combat. Then, once in low light, activate NV. Brightness settings matter, so dial down flare to reduce bloom from flashlights. Move slowly and use natural cover, because NV narrows vision and depth perception. This is why you should aim with short bursts and peak. Also, make sure your thermal or scope complements the NV for targets. You finish by applying simple tactics. Peek from cover, fire short controlled bursts, and prioritize headshots to save ammo. Once done, replace batteries in a secure spot. Always carry at least one spare so you don't get stranded. If your NV flickers or dies, toggle it off and on to reset the electronics, then inspect the battery contacts for dirt or misalignment. Clean gently if needed. If issues persist, detach and reattach the unit. That often fixes connection faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.